I bought this completely destroyed Ferrari F40 for less than the price of an iPhone. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Bro, who sells a Ferrari like that? But wait till you see what I found. This car was sitting in a junkyard for years, covered in dust, rust, and honestly, it looked dead. No shine, no life, just forgotten. And the crazy part, people told me, don't touch it, it's not worth it. But last time I listened to people, I bought a perfect condition car, and guess what? I got completely scammed. So this time, I decided I'm doing the opposite. I'm buying the worst car I can find and bringing it back to life. But here's the real question. Would you take this risk? Comment below, would you buy this car or walk away? So first thing, we had to see what we're dealing with. I touched the hood and dust just flew everywhere. It felt like touching history, but also like touching a disaster. We started with a simple wash. And oh man, as soon as the water hit the car, something magical happened. That red color slowly started coming back. Not fully, but enough to give hope. And trust me, in restoration, hope is everything. Then came the deep cleaning. Foam everywhere, brushes going into every tiny corner. It's weirdly satisfying, right? Like, why does cleaning something this dirty feel so good? Let me know in the comments. Are you watching this for the car or the satisfaction? Now things got serious. We opened the door, and yeah, it was bad. Dust, broken parts, everything worn out. At that moment, I honestly thought, did I just make another huge mistake? But no turning back now. We removed the seats, pulled out the carpet, and underneath, rust. A lot of rust. And if you know anything about cars, rust is basically cancer. This is where most people quit, but not this time. We started grinding, sanding, cleaning every inch. Slowly, that ugly surface turned smooth again. And I'm not gonna lie, that sound of sanding? Weirdly relaxing. Then came the engine, the heart of this beast. At first look, it was just sad. Dirty, oily, lifeless. But after cleaning, after tightening every bolt, after replacing damaged parts, it started to look like a Ferrari again. Quick fact, the Ferrari F40 is one of the most raw supercars ever made. No fancy electronics, just pure power. And that's what makes this even more special. Now came my favorite part, the paint. We sanded the entire body, made it perfectly smooth, and then that Rosso Corsa red started coming back. Layer by layer, the car transformed, from dead to alive. And when the clear coat hit, man, it looked like glass. At this point, I knew this was no longer a junkyard car. This was something else. Then we put everything back together. Seats, steering, details, every small piece made a big difference. And finally, the moment of truth. We turned the key. Silence. For 1 second, I thought, don't tell me. And then it started. That sound. Pure, raw power. I can't even explain it. After everything this car went through, it was alive again. So let me ask you, was it worth it? From a dead, forgotten car to a machine that turns heads again? Would you do this? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this transformation, hit like, because this took a lot of work. Subscribe if you want to see more crazy restorations like this. And trust me, next one, even bigger risk. Don't miss it.